Today, I'm gonna show you how a home is built from start to finish, step by step. Whether you're looking to build a house, considering a career in the new home construction industry, or just curious, this will give you a solid understanding of the home build process. When you're done watching this video, you'll be just as smart as I am, but surely not as good looking. Anyway, I know your time is valuable, so let's head out to the field. But before we do, you'll want to watch to the end where I'll share the number one most important thing you need to do when building a home. Step number one, the excavator will mark the home site so they know where to dig, like you can see here behind me. Step number two, they'll break ground digging the hole for the house. In this case, the hole is pretty deep because this home will have a basement. Step number three, they'll pour the concrete footings. Number four, the foundation walls are poured. Concrete needs about 10 days to cure or harden before they start framing, but there's a lot that can be done while we wait. This is the footings, which I showed you earlier, and they had the metal rod sticking up through it. This stuff right here. Then this is that foundation wall that they poured on top of it. So the foundation sits on the footings, and that helps the house to not settle unevenly. Number five, the sub-rough sewer and main water lines will be run from the street all the way underneath the foundation wall. Right here, there's this blue hose sticking out of the ground. This is actually going to be the main water line coming into the house. Often, they'll just drill a hole through the wall right here, and they'll put the main water shutoff valve on the other side, but sometimes they'll just run it right here underneath the foundation wall. Number six, the window wells will be bolted around the basement windows. Number seven, damp-proof tar will be applied to the exterior foundation walls. Okay, you can see where they sprayed the tar. That's where the dirt line will come to. You see a 152 right there? That means this is home site number 152. That is spray painted on the side of the house, so all the trades who come do the different jobs around the house know this is the right one. If you look up here, you're gonna see rebar and hurricane straps, or earthquake straps, depending on where you live around the country. Number eight, the water and sewer lines will be run to the locations where the kitchens, bathrooms, and etc. will be placed. You'll see a big mound of dirt that was left behind. The reason that's left there is because virgin soil, this has been compacted for years and years, maybe thousands or millions of years, who knows, however old the earth is. They want to leave as much of the virgin soil alone as they can, and then they'll go ahead and backfill this and compact it. Number nine, the excavators will backfill or push the dirt back in around the foundation wall, and they'll compact the soil. Number 10, they'll pour the concrete basement floor and the garage floor. At number 11, they'll usually run the gas line from the street up to the house. 12, the framing begins. The time needed to frame will vary depending on the size of the house and the number of framers assigned to the home. The framers should be able to complete an average size house in 10 to 14 days. 13, the main electrical panel for the home is installed on the exterior. 14, if you can see here behind me, the roofing is installed. Number 15, the four-way process begins. This part of the process will also take 10 to 14 days as several different trades begin work on the home. At this time, your plumbing, you can see the electrical, and all of your HVAC, like you can see right back here, will be done. Number 16, the home will receive an inspection from the city to confirm that the work has been done to code. Number 17, the insulation is hung. The city inspector will return to confirm that the insulation is to code. A lot of builders will schedule a meeting with you just before the insulation is installed so you can confirm that everything has been done correctly and so you can ask any questions. Number 18, on the exterior of the home, they'll start on the soffit, fascia, you can see stucco or siding, and any of the brick or stonework. Number 19, the tub and shower surrounds will be installed. Number 20, the sheetrock, also known as drywall, is hung. And then they'll mud, tape, and texture the walls. Number 21, the finish workers will come into the home and install the baseboards and the door casing. Shelving is also installed, along with any other trim or woodwork. 22, things like a fireplace, exterior doors, and windows will be installed. For 23, it's time to paint. Shelves and trim are caulked to fill the cracks, and holes are spackled to give the home a cleaner look. Then windows or anything else that shouldn't be painted are taped and covered with plastic. A paint spray gun will be used to paint the walls, ceilings, and doors. Number 24, outside work begins on decks, concrete patios, walkways, the porch, and the steps up to the porch. A lot of builders will wait until this time to pour the driveway as well. Number 25, the large exterior garage doors will be installed. Number 26, vinyl or tile floors are laid. Number 27, cabinets are installed in both the kitchen and the bathrooms. Number 28, laminate or wood floors are installed. At this stage, there are a lot of different trades in the home, and much of the work doesn't have to be completed in a specific order. As a matter of fact, you'll often have 3 or 4 different trades in the home all at the same time. The order of things being completed generally goes as follows. Number 29, the electrician will come back to add fixtures. This would be things like pendant lights, fans, and things of that nature. Number 30, the final HVAC will be done. Might be adding things like vent covers. Number 31, if you've added knobs or poles for your cabinets, they'll be installed. Number 32, all of your carpet is installed. 33, countertops are placed in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. 34, your bathroom mirrors and your shower doors are installed. Number 35, finished plumbing will also be completed, including installation of plumbing fixtures. Number 36, appliances will be installed. Just so you know, builders usually include a dishwasher, a microwave, and a stove with the purchase of your home. As the house nears completion, some builders rush to close on the home, while others take a few weeks to make sure the home is delivered in beautiful condition. Notice I didn't say perfect condition. Due to human error, and because homes are built with many natural products, well, you might want to plug your ears. There's no such thing as a perfect home. But the process I'm about to share is fairly standard with the better home builders. Number 37, the superintendent, aka the construction manager, will do a quality walk, making a punch list of all the items that still need to be completed. This often includes leaving tiny pieces of blue tape all over the walls so the painters know where to do the paint touch-up. Number 38, the homeowner orientation, also known as the final walkthrough. At this meeting, the builder's representative will show you how to work your home. This will include things like running the heating and air and how to shut off the water, gas, or electrical if there's an emergency. This is usually your final opportunity to look the house over and request that the builder repair, replace, or touch up any damaged parts of the house. The builder may give you some blue tape so you can mark locations that you find that are in need of paint touch-up. You'll also want to make sure that the doors and windows are functioning properly, along with the plumbing and lighting fixtures, among other things. In most cases, they will add your requested items to their punch list and have you sign off. Most builders will leave 5 to 7 days in the schedule to complete these final items. But be prepared. The builder might not fix every imperfection that you see. If you find something that the builder doesn't really want to do, they may try to downplay it, or they may say something like, that's builder standard. Or they may come up with another excuse as to why they can't or won't do the work. This is why I suggest hiring a realtor who understands the home build process. As a new home construction specialist, I have found things that would have likely gone unnoticed. But also, I've had a lot of success getting stubborn builders to repair and replace things that they initially refused to do. Number 39, the home will receive a final cleaning. And most builders will schedule one last home buyer walkthrough to confirm that the final touch-ups and repairs have been completed. Number 40, you can now close on the home. In most situations, you'll head to a title company to sign the closing documents and deliver the remainder of your required down payment. Once your funds clear and it records with the city, you'll receive the keys to your brand spanking new home. In most situations, you'll receive the keys a few hours after you sign the closing documents. Damn! If you're ready to build a home, first, reach out to a lender to see how much house you can afford. Then, find a realtor with new home construction experience. If you're in Utah, it would be my honor to guide you through the home build process. Okay, so that was just a basic explanation. If you're looking for more, you might want to watch the most in-depth new home construction video ever created. Grab some popcorn and a Coke because that video is 60 minutes long. Now, what's the most important decision that you'll make when building a home? It's choosing the right home builder. Choose poorly and you might regret it. So before you visit a model home, watch How to Choose the Best Home Builder. Look for the links to my recommended videos below. If you're looking to buy, sell, build a home, or invest in Utah real estate, I get contacted all the time. Please feel free to call or text me with your questions. I'd love to meet you, and I'm honored to serve you. For everyone else, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have a friend or a family member looking to build a home, you can easily text this video to them. And please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty, the Real Estate Guy. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below. Make you feel good.